Okay, YouTube, just real quick. I'll ride it. Take the camera with me while I'm riding it. My cousin's gonna be coming around with a really loud lawnmower, so don't mind that.
Don't take a video of me, please.
I'm not. So, I'm gonna ride it now.
Can I start it?
This might be kind of hard, I don't know. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, I'll ride back down there to the garage and then I'll turn the video off, alright? You may not be able to see it, but this is downhill. I only have one hand. Wow. Alright, here we go. Yeah, so that's my Motovox mini bike. I'm just saying, I mean, it's not the best of bikes. I mean, it'll do, but like, it's $400, and it just has a lot of problems. I don't know why, but it just has a lot of problems. But so yeah, that's my mini bike. And bye.